New to our inventory here at Myers Automall in Daphne, Alabama, we have this 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior of this F-250, we have a rear backup camera, fully automatic headlights, and a trailer hitch receiver. Inside, you have comfortable cloth seating for 5, keyless entry, and telescoping steering wheel. The LCD display has Bluetooth technology that will keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2018 Ford F-250 has less than 57,000 miles, and it comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.